Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you my nail polish collection. For some reason I've had this big obsession with nail polish for some reason. I don't have that many as compared to how much makeup I have. They're not even in the same ballpark, but I do love how my nails have been looking with polish on and just how it looks in videos when I'm showing you le product. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and let's jump in. So I have the Sally Hansen Salon Perfect Complete Manicure. This is in the shade 381 Guilty Party. That is actually what I have on my nail right there. Super pretty. I did this for New Year's and I love how this combo looks. This is definitely not me. This is like abnormal for me to wear colored nail polish, but I really do love the color. I just, for some reason, I'm just like, glitter or something close to glitter. That's probably not that hard to take off, which I haven't taken it off yet, so I wouldn't even know. For my nails, for New Year's Eve. Who knows why, what has come over me, but I really do like this nail polish color. If you like something close to this, or maybe a rose gold, I think they may have a rose gold. I don't remember the shade color, but I would highly recommend picking this up if you do like these kind of shimmery, sheeny colors. That's not exactly glitter. We also have just like a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat Stage 2. Nothing fantastic about this. I do have a review coming up soon, hopefully sometime, where I do a wear test and see how long these last. I may need to redo it, but stay tuned. I also have the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Polish in the shade 393 Cinesnap. Now this is like a beautiful blood red. Literally, it is perfect if you love that beautiful blood red kind of color. I love this color for the winter time. If you love a red any time of the year, this is your red. Now you will have to do 2 coats. I mean, I always do 2 coats, that's just me. But I do think if you want the color that's exactly in the tube, then you definitely need like 2 coats. But I am a dark, vampy kind of nail polish kind of girl, and this is definitely, even reds are kind of out of my comfort zone. I'm more of a black nail polish kind of girl that I've always worn black. I wore black nail polish on my wedding day. That's how much I love black nail polish. And plus it went with my wedding too, but you know. But I would recommend picking this up if you do like a nice vampy blood red nail polish. Now, nothing fancy. I have the Sally Hansen No Chip Top Coat. I haven't used this yet, but I do have it. But a no chip nail polish can always come in handy, so. We also have the Salon Perfect Top and Base Coat. This is what it looks like. It has these little red little baldy thingies, you know, I don't, whatever they do. But you just slap it on your nails before nail polish and you slap it on afterwards, and it just makes it nice and shiny and pretty. I actually have that on my nails to make them look really nice and glossy and shiny and pretty, but it does the job. I also have the My Nails Are Sealed Calcium Formula Therapy. My grandma gave me this because I know she had 2 of them and she gave it to me, but I don't know what it's for. I haven't used it. I think it's like some sort of top coat, or you put it on after you paint your nails, because I know that she loves to paint her nails. So I have black nail polish by LA Colors. I can't really read what it says, but it's LA Colors, just plain black nail polish. I don't remember how this performed. I'm gonna have to go and redo and see how it did, but we also have the Sally Hansen Gel Miracle in the shade V-Amplified or Vamplified. It's just more of your plummy burgundy with like a lot of purple tones in it. This is very different from Cinesnap. As you can see, there's like a big color difference. It's obviously a lot more purpley toned, and this one's more of a red based, and this one obviously is deeper and more like, I'd say like a deepened or a blackened berry is what I'd definitely call this. I will have a wear test on these, the gel ones, eventually later on. I'm still testing them out. But you will get a full review on how these last and see if they're worth the money or if you're better off going to a salon. So stay tuned for those. Now I have this neon pink nail polish that doesn't even like, I don't even think I could use this. It's so probably dried up. I probably could. But I love the bottle, so I kept it. And obviously it was like it's neon pink, so I most definitely had to keep it because this color is honestly like my favorite color. This is the Pure Ice Nail Polish in the shade Rumor. That is what I'm wearing on my nails right now, like in this area. This is such a beautiful color. Something about this mauve, like this deep, rich, muted, pinky red, mauve, whatever color it is, the muted color. I absolutely love this color. I was so surprised. You do have to do 2 coats or so, maybe even 3, but it is so worth the color. I don't know how it wears, so I can't tell you that, but I do love this color, and it may be my new go-to. Now I just have these 2 matte coats. I have the NYC Matte Me Crazy Mattifying Nail Polish. I also have the Wet n Wild Mattifier Nail Polish. Nothing special. It does the job, you know, makes the nails matte. I also have these 2 sample sizes by OPI. I think I ordered something off of Amazon, and they just kind of threw it in the bag, which I thought was nice, you know. I also have the Sally Hansen Insta Dry. Nothing's fancy, just Insta Dry stuff. And it definitely does make your nails dry fast within 60 seconds. I totally agree with that. So I also have these black nail polish. I have the Wet n Wild black nail polish in the shade, I think it's called Black Licorice. No, it's called Black Cream. So there's that. And I also have Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear black nail polish in the shade 629 Blackout. I think this was the one I wore at my wedding, but I got that. So we have the Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Polish in the shade 380 Oh My Magenta. It's just literally a beautiful magenta shade. I love this shade. Surprisingly, I didn't think I'd actually like it, but I actually really do. It's just so pretty. So pretty. It's not that bright. It's kind of muted. And I think this nail polish would flatter every single skin tone. So I highly recommend this. And we also have the Ancient Sinful Colors in the shade Secret Admirer. It's just like a black shimmery sparkle one. I haven't worn this in like forever. I kind of wonder if it's still good. She lives. So sometime I'm gonna have to go and wear that. But I really do like this. It is sheer at first. You do have to build it up, but I do recommend picking this up if you do want something that has a little more life than just a plain flat black. So we also have more black nail polish. We have the LA Colors black nail polish in the shade Onyx. We have another LA Colors black nail polish, probably in the shade Onyx. That's what it looks like. And then we have another cheap brand black gel strong nail polish in the shade Blackest Black. Black nail polish. We also have more black nail polish from Wet n Wild, which I don't even know if this one's still good. So I'm just going to give it a little shakeroo. And let's see. She lives. So, black nail polish, everyone. And I even got, what do you know, more black nail polish. This is Sinful Colors in the shade Black. Okay, it's called Black on Black. But you guys get the picture. It's black. Nothing fancy. We also have another black nail polish from the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and it's $8.49 Blackio. That's what it looks like. Black. Nothing fancy, just black. I am going to be doing a video for you guys with all the black nail polish. I'm sure you guys can get the hint of what the video I want to do. But just in case, stay tuned. We also have my most expensive nail polish. This is the Essie nail polish in the shade 688 Chinchilli. I don't know why I got this nail polish. It's pretty, but I don't think it does anything special for my nails. It's like a very grayed out purple. It's pretty, like I said, it's beautiful, but I just don't think it does anything special, in all honesty. I may declutter it, I may still keep it, I don't know, but I mean, here it is. She's present. I also have the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Polish in the shade 393 Slick Slate. These two are actually pretty close. This one is just a little bit darker. I think these two together would be stunning, like this as an accent and this as like most of the nail. I think that would be so pretty together. But I've just been in the mood for like taupey mauve colors, and these definitely got my attention. So we have the LA Colors Long LA Colors Color Last Nail Polish in the shade Infinite. It's just like your standard like mauve pink. When I look at it in the tube, I'm just kind of get like a little afraid, but it looked like a good nudie kind of pink, so I'm like, okay, I could probably pull it off. But I mean, it is really pretty, so sure, why not? But last but certainly not least, I saved this one for last, but I'm super excited to actually go and wear this. This is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear Nail Polish in the shade Mauve Over. Like, you guys, it is beautiful. I have not worn it yet. I actually thought about pairing these two together. I thought would be super pretty, maybe. If you like accent nails, I should say. Not many people do. But I love this color. There's something about it that's just magical. I feel like this color would be my new go-to, honestly. It's so beautiful. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and if you guys want to see more videos on nail polish, wear testing them, seeing how long they last, through everyday life, through showers, dishes, work, doing stuff, cooking, everything. If you want to see how long nails last, doing the same routine over and over again, let me know down in the comments below. And please let me know also what your favorite nail polish color is. I would love to know. I hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.